How to edit a Google Meet recording. So first is go to your Google Drive using the same account that you used for the recording. And once you're here, you should see the Meet recordings right there. So the Meet recordings folder. So this folder is automatically added or created when you record a Google Meet. But it might take some time if the recording or the duration of the recording is pretty long. So just simply open up the Meet recordings, then just simply hover to the meeting that you want to download. So let's say I want to download this meeting. So I'm just going to right click on it, then click on download, then wait for it. Then this should pop up. So now you can select the destination on where you want to save your recording. So I'm just going to save it to my downloads destination right here or folder, then click on save. Now as you can see, it has now been downloaded. So just simply click on it to open it up. So you can either edit this out on Microsoft Clipchamp. So this is basically the built-in video editor of Windows. So if I click on it, it will open up Clipchamp. So I don't have it installed. And if you also don't have it installed, you just simply need to install it. And from there, you could edit it out, or you could also use third-party apps like CapCut. So I have my CapCut right here, or you could also use like the Adobe Premiere Pro and a ton of other video editing stuff. You could also use like Canva if you want. So let's try it with CapCut. So I'm opening my CapCut right now. And if you want to edit it, just simply click on create project right here. Then just simply import the recording. So I have mine right here. So I'm going to click on open. And as you can see, I have now the recording and I could edit this out to my liking. So I could cut parts if I want. And that is how you basically edit a Google Meet recording.